matikman na natin yung pinili namin guys na ulam. Halo-halo. Dito kami mag-dinner guys. It's just like
Big
a
one
buffet.
and the small one. Okay?
Mamili ka dito kung ano ang gusto mo. Ready to eat na ba? Hindi na mag-antay. Ano po naman? Bukas. That is including the fruits? Aside from the vegetables? We can choose also from here? Okay.
This is sweet.
Okay.
Not sweet, not spicy.
Yeah, this is we have the coconut crunch. We have the baby mayo. Tahini is good. We have tahini. We have rotten.
The one that it's not spicy is okay. Yeah. Di ay diri sa Kijan. Ikigai. This is Japanese. This is Japanese restaurant. Oh, Ikigai. How to pronounce Ikigai? Japan. Okay. Nakahanap din kami ng makainan na masatisfied ka. Pili ako. Gusto ko itong cherry tomato. I like this, the cherry tomato. And what is that? Rice? Yes? Okay, like alin po.
This one.
Okay.
Okay. I can start. Quinoa.
Okay, you start.
Quinoa.
Quinoa. Tinola.
Quinoa.
Wait, ilis na. Bakasyon na guys. Nagtipid sa sinina. Kaya ipamili namin. Sa bago. So nice. Perfect na perfect for dinner and everything. Ito ang labas guys. Malapit lang po sa hotel na pinirhan namin. 1 minute lang sa motor. Kung ilakad mo na sa mga 5 minutes lang. That big bowl, how much? It costs how much? This one.
Depends on what.
Wait. Look at here.
Oh. As the dinner is served, this is mine. Hello. Thank you.
Enjoy, guys.
Matikman na natin yung pinili namin guys. Ulam. Halo-halo. What's that?
Quinoa.
Quinoa?
Not harsh.
It's like a couscous.
Couscous.
No.
Is that couscous?
Sarap ba? Hindi ka makmahay. Sige, nakaon sa ako ha. Very good kayo guys. Kaya, dili sila natinda o kanang mga soft drinks, mga beer, kaya healthy foods dahil ang ilang paninda. Para sa mga pagkaon ko nga healthy. Nindot. Ganahan ko. ang ilang mainom available kay tubig ra og mga juices. Mga fresh na juice. Fresh na juice.
The
Fresh na juice.
wake up juice. Lemon, ginger, and goodness.
Puro healthy.
This is the example.
Ano ang kagawa sa ako ang basa?
I like the lemon, ginger.
This is the example.
Chili tomato.
What would you like? It's run out today. It's been so we have only the glow up. Do you like ginger? With ginger.
Yun ang
Yeah,
sa
this one with
drink.
ginger.
Mga juice lang, mga tea.
Also this one with ginger.
My favorite.
This is ginger, apple, watermelon, grapefruit, carrot.
This one.
Healthy. Healthy
Then this
drink.
one, cucumber, melon. This is
Mango.
orange, mango,
Better naman eh.
apple, and
Orange
coconut
mango.
water.
Oh, this one good.
This one?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Ano sa kegi? Blow out.
To blow up.
And for you, maybe you like to juice?
No, I have water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Tapos na kaming kumain guys dito sa Ikigai. Panis sa salad bar. Mga salad ang sulod lang ani nga pagkaon guys. No drinks na soft drinks and there's no beers, only mga unhealthy juice lang jud, mga herbs. I think tawag ani mga herbal ba. Mi guys, kung diet mo so anhin na lang mo diri ay sa Ikigai. Diri ani sa Lombok sa may Selong Bilamak, Lombok, papuntang Silong Beach. Oh, let's go na eh.